Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can attach files like documents or images to your notes on Workflowy. So let us begin. So navigate to your node here on the left hand side inside your account on Workflowy. As you can see, I inserted an image, but you may do that of course also with TXT document or text document, Word documents, PDF documents, and so on and so forth. What you need to do, guys, is navigate to the given node on the left hand side and click into these three dots next to the node title, and you will see this option upload file. Click into it, and after that you will see that upload window here in the top left corner, so that you may navigate to the destination or location on your device and upload the file to it. So if it's an image, it will be added to the canvas here, if it's a PDF document too, and so on and so forth, so that you may click into these three dots on the top right and, for example, delete the given uploaded file or download it back onto your device, show it in the full screen. Let me delete it in this case here, and it's not only it doesn't apply only to images but to all file format types as explained. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.